and welcome to Everbee London Garden. I'm Elle, and I hope you're all well and not suffering too much from the prolonged winter. This video features some garden bargains and ideas for my look around the garden shops during February. First, home-based. Rather disappointing trip to the store with the bargain shelves fully stocked with dead plants. Here, potentilla were reduced from £6 to 50p, but all appeared to be dead, not even worth salvaging the compost or the pot. Imperiatas reduced from £12.45 to £1.99, but sadly again all seemed dead. Due to the time of year, there were also a few empty shelves, but there were a few spring plants on offer. Tate potted daffodils for £7 for a 6-pack, which was a little pricey, I thought. English bluebells selling for £4 per pot. Again, I thought these were a little too pricey, so I will wait till after the Easter holidays to purchase these. I came across these new seed boxes range from the RHS. They contain 20 grams of seed with a coverage of 10 to 20 square metres. However, I'm not sure that at £7 per box it was worth it. It seemed a big box with little content of seeds you can buy from other retailers at a third of the price. On the veg front, Homebase were offering ginger roots at £3.50 each. But Sainsbury's sell their ginger roots at 90p per 100 grams. Garlic Messidor was priced at £3.50 for 3 bulbs. Not bad, as I've seen some garlic bulbs sold at around £6 for 2 bulbs. Homebase had a small selected range of potatoes on offer, packs of 5 seed potatoes for £3. That works out as 60p per bud. A pricey option, however, if you have limited growing space or want to try out a new variety, this could be a viable economic solution. However, when on the same shelves there were 1.5 kilograms of seed potatoes, equivalent to around 15 to 20 for £5, this option clearly is the most value for money. If you only have 15 seed potatoes, it works out at around 33p each. So it's best if you can arrange with your gardening friends and family to buy a 1.5 kilogram bag and share them around. More spring bulbs were on sale. These popular Jimmy tulips for £4 per pot, and more daffodils Tate for the same price. But you don't get many for the pound. Hence, plan ahead next year and order your bulbs early, or wait for the Easter sales before purchasing these. Lily of the Valley pits is selling for £3.50 for a 6-pack. I purchased these as I have a project in mind using these plants, which I will share here on Everbee London Garden shortly. It's not a bad price, and the plants look to be good quality. Now on to Sainsbury's, where I found these daffodils tete-a-tete again for a mere £1.75. Plus, you get an environmentally friendly card presentation pot stuffed to the brim with bulbs. Note the contrast with Homebase offerings. I also followed another YouTuber's lead and will grow some artichokes. I purchased a pack of 9 tubers for £1.50 as other online retailers were selling them for over £10 plus postage and packaging. Morrison's next. They had some designer primroses selling for £1.99 each. As lovely and as tempting as they were, I felt I could do better. Morrison's also had loads of mini potted daffodils selling for just 75p per pot. I very nearly purchased some of these, but was slightly put off by the fact that the daffodils were unnamed. They are most likely to be Tate-a-Tate, but I felt it was safer to opt for the Tate-a-Tate bulbs instead, and as it turned out, it was slightly more economical to buy the bulbs than the potted daffodils. Wilko's, the penultimate stop in my garden centre trawl, had various rhubarbs selling for £2.50 each. We also had strawberry alsanta, again selling for £2.50 for a 3-pack, and green asparagus selling also for £2.50. Final stop was at the British Garden Centre, my first time visit for my forthcoming series, where I hope to visit the best garden centres in each of the 32 boroughs which make up the metropolis of London. And here I found some good gems. A huge variety of seed potatoes. I managed to get 3 packs for £6. Designer primroses, which I think were better than the ones offered by Morrison's, 3 for £5, and at just £1.66 were a better bargain. And helleballs from the bargain shelf for £4 each. Helleballs can sell for around £14 to £22 or so, and I was pretty chuffed with my find. But the best bargain yet, and therefore the bargain of the month, a pot of named daffodils, tate-a-tate again, overstuffed with bulbs for just 50p. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, do take care. Happy gardening. Bye for now.